You know, hey guys, we're back with another video. It's Happy VR here. And nice gorilla store. I wish the store was nice. Because every time I go to the store, there's like everyone is being so toxic. Like, I don't know why everyone started being just so toxic to each other. When did everyone start being toxic? And I was just in a code dog VR, and there's these three little kids talking about, oh, I can't have Discord if you're not 13. Bruh, oh my gosh. Why are you in the code VR? Do you even like dogs? I mean, why are you in the code dog VR? Do you even like dogs? Why are you here? Like, why? Do you even like dogs? Yeah, so that's why I was just in the code, and I was hoping no one was in here, but there's these three little kids talking about, oh, I'm super trash and I'm super toxic. How am I toxic? I'd never be toxic. Oh my god. Like, I'm never toxic. And probably just once, but I don't actually be real toxic. Am I small? Did I just turn small? Well, yeah. I don't really be that toxic. And like TTT Pig, he's a moderator, so he can ban people. So, yeah.
Teach me how to play the game. Can you teach me how to play the game?
Where did you come from?
Can you teach me how to play the game better?
Did you just teleport right here?
Hey, Pink. Hey, Pink.
I'm good at the game, but I'm not that good. I want to get better at the game.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey, Brown.
Well,
Brown.
yeah.
Brown.
Yeah, basically.
Brown, look over there. Look over there.
Well, yeah. I'm not that toxic to anyone. I'm just trying to help people, not be toxic. But then when I try to help, they're like super toxic. Like, I don't know why. They're super toxic. Now my name is Happy VR. I have to keep changing my name because every little kid keeps joining all my codes. Well, all the codes that I put my name as. Like, bruh, I don't know what's going on. I just want to have a bunch of subscribers. Okay, at that part, I knew I messed up.
Bro, another one joined.
Another one. Another who joined?
There's only 3
Well, yeah.
more.
Well, yeah. And,
Nobody.
New lobby, new life.
No.
New population. No. But as you
come here. Where are you at, you Mr. Beast? I don't hear any Mr. Beast around here.
Alright, there's
Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast.
Come on, man.
See, this is how Gorilla Tag should be. No toxic. People having fun. Like those gorillas. And, yeah.
Bye-bye!
But I'm not a kid. I'm seriously not a kid. Probably wondering.
Remember? You left.
You left because the lobby was
Probably
open. And then
wondering.
you told me to go up right here. And then you got tagged. And I
Oh yeah, I remember you.
Like, I even tell my
Yeah, I remember
friends
that.
to subscribe, but no, they
And then
don't
I
do
rage
it.
quit.
Bro, where's White? Is he actually hiding?
White?
Bro, check
I
the
don't
hoods,
see
check
no
the
white
hoods.
monkey.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure
Well,
he's hiding.
I just called him white monkey.
Yeah.
Well, if I'm going back
I
down.
usually come online very often.
There. What the?
This is
Yeah, I'm
Hey, bring your business
back in the
forward.
lobby.
Trigger.
Back again with the new
I
monkeys.
could get it.
Well, that was a pretty long video. That was a pretty long video. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bam, 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 bam.
Should I get it?
Sure.
Bye, guys.